We're going drifting today at Queensland Raceway. I'm trying a different event. It's a like drift playground, like beginner/intermediate day. So I want to test out a few things on the S13. So we just thought we'd go down. I did want some family to have a drive, but last minute they've got cold feet. So we'll just go out and have a go. We're all loaded. We're a little bit late. Just stopped at 7-Eleven to grab a coffee as usual and see the little turkeys as usual. If you watch my other videos, you would see that there's some turkeys that frequent this place. But I don't know if you can see, but he's in the back over there. But car is all loaded, looks all pretty. I want to play around with the dampening and maybe camber if I can at the track. Again, the FG looks like it's slammed in the rear from all the weight. As a barista, this coffee isn't that bad, to be honest. It's my go-to every time we go to the day. They even give you cappuccino powder around the corner, so like, why not? And it's like $2 or something, $3. Here and took the car off the trailer and got my armband. Gonna go do my driver's briefing in a second. Just going to the toilet block and cafe area because I just want to see what nibblies they had. All signed on and ready to go. Got my van. Gonna go out there and do my first few laps now. There's a whole bunch of people here. I didn't think it would be this busy, but like the line's pretty long, but we're here for the whole day, so it should be pretty good. Just did my first 2 laps to just check everything out, bring it in, check over it. Everything is going well, car's staying cool, no issues to report. It's actually really good coming out here on like a, because this morning is like a beginner morning for people who don't have their like main track licenses or just someone who wants to come out and drive, obviously. But it's really good seeing those people who are just learning because it reminds you of where you used to be. I'm gonna let the car cool down for maybe another 5-10 minutes because it is a really cool day and the lines are pretty long. Then I'm gonna go back up and line up again and have another few laps because this track is really, really fun. I like the little, they do a little donut at the start. So it's 11 a.m. I've only had 2 laps. It's like a day where you can pay like an extra 70 or 80 bucks to have another driver. So I had someone I know, they've drifted before, hop in the car and just have a go at my car because I like wanted to try it out. Anyways, they hopped in it and they snapped the axle. So me being me, and I don't want to lay on this like dirty gravel ground, I'm just gonna pack up and go home. Like I don't want to pull out this greasy, dirty, smelly axle in the gravel on a Sunday at 11 a.m. in the morning. Like I can't be bothered, so I'm just gonna pack up and go home. Okay, so a bit of footage for you guys. It's hard to see, but you can see over here at the front, the like front of the axle, it has, I don't know if it's snapped or what, I can't see, but it's like popped out or snapped or broken something at the front there, and all the grease is like shot out and shot around my car. I did feel it when it happened, and there's all grease everywhere. I just can't be bothered. I don't want all that on my hands. It's probably a terrible video, guys, but you can see it snapped the actual shaft. which is crazy. I've only ever snapped like the housings before, not the actual shaft. Maybe I'll come out to the next one. They do these like once a month, these all-day drift days. It was pretty good. Like, I quite like the like setup and the way things are done, so I'll probably buy the next one and come out here. It's just annoying because I paid for the trailer hire and the ticket and everything, but what can you do? But anyways, I'll insert like the 2 or 3 clips that I have from today and put them in the video. Maybe some of them will be up and down clips from Instagram, I don't know, but this will be a short video. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.